Hey everybody, welcome into the 5 to 9 Hustle. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Eric, and I'll be your guide on this little eBay quick tip video or how-to video. Today what we're talking about is the custom label field on eBay, also known as the custom SKU. I hear more people refer to it as the custom SKU than anything else, but eBay calls it both things in different places. So I'm on my active listing screen, and we're going to be talking about the column right over here, custom label. I'll try to highlight with my mouse as well. If you do not have a custom label column on your active listing screen, at the very top, there's some blue links here. Customize table is what you want to click, and then you can choose which columns you want to display and not display. It's been a long time since I set mine up. I don't remember if custom label was standard or not, but I think it was. But if it's not, customize table and get it in there, because after this video, you're definitely going to use custom label. So here I'm in the way now. I just hit sell similar on one of my own items to show on the listing process, where is this info? This is the desktop version of listing. If you can't tell, that's how I do most of my eBay activities. So just under title and subtitle, you've got custom label, and then parentheses SKU, which they give you the help text of create a custom label to enter information you want to track, such as your own SKU number. And essentially what I'm putting in there, in this case A750, that's my inventory location, and that is how I use custom label. That is how you should use custom label as well. I have a bunch of storage totes upstairs with my inventory in it, especially my clothing inventory. Each clothing item is folded in a clear poly bag, and I have stickers on those. So there's a storage tote with a big A on it, and I can go to that tote, open it up, look for the item that has the 750 sticker on it, and I know that's the one I'm looking for when I'm pulling stuff to ship. Very handy, especially if you do clothing. You think, oh, I could tell this stuff apart. You get like 25 shirts, 30 shirts, they start to look real similar. About half of them are probably going to be blue, and all of a sudden it's like, man, I'm not sure what's what, and you have to look at everything real close. So that is what custom label is for. I'm going to show you this is the items awaiting shipment queue. This is what I pull up every morning, and you get your custom label in bold even right there. So I pull up, hey, items awaiting shipment in the morning. I see the custom SKUs, and I can just go gather up those items from my inventory right quick, my shipping station, and ship everything out. I do want to mention there are other things you can include in there, obviously. I don't know if there's a limit on how many characters you can put in or not, but I do know people will put something to indicate, hey, this is cross-posted to Amazon or Poshmark or whatever it might be, to make sure to jog their memory that they need to go delete that if it's sold on eBay. Some people will also include a date code of like the date they bought it or the date they listed it. I leave all my listings good till canceled, so I don't do that. And I've even seen where people will put like their buy cost for the item, which I guess might help when you're looking at offers, because then you would know right away what you paid for it and what you might want to take. So you can get super advanced with it. I just do the inventory location to stay organized, stay efficient, and not lose stuff, which is very important. I have seen people include this kind of information at the end of their title as well. I think that's because it used to be this would not show on the mobile app if you do most of your eBay from the app. And you would have to tap into each sold item to see it, but now it does show on your sold item like scroll. And I'll show that on my phone in just a moment. All right, so here I am on my iPhone. This is eBay's iOS app. I've got the same two items that are sold waiting for shipment tomorrow morning that I just showed on desktop. And you can see right between the price and the title, it does show the custom label on here as well. If I remember correctly, it didn't used to, so that's an improvement. Alrighty, so here is some of my bins. I've got some more over here. I've got some little ones and big ones. So you see you've got A, that's gonna be B, C, D, etc. And then the little ones are like BB, CC, TD, what have you. So I can find stuff quickly. So like the 2 items I showed that have sold so far today and need to go out tomorrow was B 7, well, I know it was this one. Yeah, 785 and 790, which is a green shirt. And there we go. So I'll just grab both of those, have them on the shipping station for the morning. Pull them apart and make sure you're sending the right items to the right people and not spend forever trying to ship stuff, right? I work a regular 9 to 5. I've got to get this done in the morning. I can't spend 2 hours shipping and trying to find lost items. It just makes it super snappy, organized, and efficient. Good luck, guys.